In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a HubSpot user's email address. Whether you're updating your contact information or managing multiple accounts, knowing how to change your email address in HubSpot is an essential skill. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you get it done quickly and without any confusion. If you're new to HubSpot, you can find a link in the description below to create an account and get started. Now let's dive in. To begin, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one. It's a simple step, but it's always good to double-check to avoid making changes to the wrong account. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option on your main dashboard. This is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you don't see it right away, don't worry, it's there. Just keep an eye out for the small gear icon, which is a common visual cue for settings across many platforms. Go ahead and click on the Settings option. This will open up the settings area where you can manage various aspects of your HubSpot account. Next, navigate to the security section. You'll find it listed among other categories within the settings menu. The security section is where all account-related security features are housed, including the option to manage your email address. Click on it to access the security settings. Once you're in the security section, look for the option that says Edit Email Address. This is what you'll need to select in order to make changes to your current email. Now enter your new email address in the field provided. Here's an important tip. Double-check the email address you've entered for accuracy. This is going to become your new primary contact email for HubSpot, so it's worth taking a moment to ensure there are no typos or errors. After entering the new email, confirm the changes when prompted. HubSpot might ask you to verify your decision to ensure everything is secure. And here's something to keep in mind. HubSpot may send a verification email to the new address you've just entered. This step helps confirm that you have access to that email and prevents unauthorized changes. If you receive a verification email, simply follow the instructions provided in that message. This could involve clicking on a link or taking another quick action to finalize the update. Once you complete this step, your email address will be officially updated in HubSpot. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your email address in HubSpot. This process ensures your account stays up to date, and you can continue to receive important communications. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.